Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are rethinking an everyday essential, the laundry basket. Instead of flimsy plastic bins or collapsible fabric hampers, we are exploring wooden laundry basket ideas that add warmth, durability, and character to your laundry routine. From minimalist Scandinavian crates to farmhouse rollout hampers, these wooden designs prove that even dirty laundry can look stylish. Before diving into design, let's talk benefits. Durability. Quality hardwoods like oak, teak, or bamboo outlast plastic. Aesthetic appeal. Wood instantly upgrades the look of laundry spaces or bedrooms. Customization. Easy to stain, paint, or carve to match your interior. Eco-friendly. Opt for reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced bamboo for a lower footprint. A wooden basket is both a functional container and a decor element. The simplest route is a standalone wooden hamper, but there is room for creativity. Number 1. Slatted box hamper. Vertical slats allow airflow to keep clothes fresh. Add a fabric liner for easy washing. Number 2. Lidded chest. A hinged top hides clutter, ideal for bedrooms or hallways. Bonus, doubles as a small bench. Number 3. Round barrel basket. Inspired by wine barrels, this cylindrical design adds rustic charm. Number 4. Open crate style. Lightweight and easy to carry from room to room. These timeless designs are perfect if you want quick build projects or ready-made buys. For small apartments or minimalist homes, consider integrated baskets. Pull-out drawer hamper. Hidden inside a cabinet or vanity, slides out smoothly. Tilt-out cabinet basket. The front panel tilts forward, concealing clothes while staying accessible. Stacked double bin. 2 compartments, light and dark, for effortless sorting. Bench with hidden bin. A hallway or mudroom bench that lifts to reveal a laundry compartment. Built-ins keep laundry out of sight and maintain a clean, uncluttered look. If you love sleek interiors. Number 1. Floating wall basket. Mounted slightly off the floor for a floating effect and easier mopping. Number 2. Geometric grid hamper. Pick honeycomb panels or laser cut patterns for a striking silhouette. Number 3. Bamboo frame with canvas insert. Lightweight yet warm, perfect for Scandinavian or Japandi decor. Number 4. Rolling cube with hidden casters. Minimal box form but glides effortlessly on concealed wheels. These options emphasize clean lines, light woods, and space efficiency. Wooden laundry baskets are a natural fit for farmhouse aesthetics. Reclaimed pallet basket. Sanded pallets with iron corner brackets for vintage feel. Barn door hamper. Mini sliding barn doors hide the laundry inside. Wine crate stack. Stack old crates vertically for a multi-bin tower. Rope handle chest. Think jute handles for easy carrying and a nautical touch. Rustic designs celebrate imperfections, knots, grain, and weathered textures. Elevate practicality with clever add-ons. Removable cloth liners. Toss the liner in the wash, not the entire basket. Divider panels. Separate colors, delicates, or towels inside one container. Ventilation holes. Prevent odors in tightly sealed lids. Integrated wheels or casters. Glide heavy loads without straying. Lift out inner baskets. Makes transferring laundry to the machine effortless. Good design saves times and backaches. Planning a weekend project. Keep these tips in mind. Choose the right wood. Sand thoroughly. Seal or varnish. Use pocket screws or dowel joints. Test weight capacity. DIY gives you control over size, finish, and functionality. Where you place your basket matters. In a bathroom, choose moisture-resistant finishes. In a bedroom, match bedside furniture. In a laundry room, pair with small shelving or wall hooks. Add a scented cedar block inside for a fresh aroma every time you open the lid. And there you have it. Wooden laundry basket ideas that transform a mundane chore into a design statement. So until next time, happy decorating.